Is the motor in the water? It's running. My name's Bobby Cornelius, and I'll be your masturbator today on this fishing trip. Birds on the water. Where? Right there, straight out. In between those two boats that are going. You know what? I ain't got a fishing pole on this boat.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Look at that beauty.
I forgot one of the more important things when you go fishing. The fishing poles.
Why don't you go back and get them?
We will.
He said he would. You're gonna need to get way up there.
Rock can go up there.
Here, just take these and go fishing. You got a tackle box, don't you? Now I don't know what to tell you. You have no more excuses.
35, I guess, and down 25. Are you kidding me?
I'm marking some pretty good hooks out here. No big schools, just them big scattered hooks, just like yesterday. And this is kind of where they quit biting yesterday too, but we started way over there with them.
What do we got there, Chris?
Hee-haw. This is another striper indigenous to the Little Glass area of Texoma. He's gorgeous.
We ain't got him in here yet.
Oh, just like that.
Gone.
Ah.
Go, or he broke the hook. That's what he did.
Now
Now that is when Bill Dance would tell you you need to slow down and be careful. Turn back on. Man, that's a good
He's taking drag.
smoker. There's a smoker. Yeah,
He's wiry. He's right here. We're gonna need the net. All right.
These are pretty big ones, dude. Right there. Done. Hell yeah! Oh yeah!
You can't even get that one out of
Moby Dick, he can't get it out of the rod holder. Look at that bitch full drag.
Dude, I just dropped that thing.
Good job.
I can't drop it.
Hey Chris, you're up.
Yeah.
I'll be fine.
I got two. Big shot two.
Oh!
Those are twins.
You got him?
I could tell yours is a good one, Brock. Go, hang on, Brock. Let me smoke her. Where's that net? Oh, just step back. Just walk backwards. Drop it. Yep. Damn, you about broke the fucking net, guys.
That's a big fish, dude.
Dang.
Right there. Good one.
You might like this one. I'm gonna like this one.
Alright, it's probably cold.
I don't care.
Kelly, we're getting
Look at you go.
Kelly, we're getting close to the motor.
As long as we're still moving. Hurry. It's alright. Nice fish, dude. Nice. Dropping. Best part about circling around them is we're just right back about where we were.
Come on, I'll give you a little.
These shit all over me.
Dude, he took the biggest dump in the world.
Oh, gross.
Dude.
You're getting dirty on your shirt.
You got him.
You got him?
Yeah.
Stand back when they see it. Hold it up.
It does. It smells.
Years old, so I done been through all I deserve. Came up off the porch straight, ran off the kisser. Long time ago, I don't do that shit no more. This the last time I'ma tell you, wanna hear it?
Here it goes.
It was me and baby James, with an arms to our name. Rolling up to what a dime, same close from yesterday. Had a smoker running castle, paid his ass in stone. When our narcs came in, way head on the roof and smoke bomb. Fuck with rat bitches, head from them hunters. Lost the sack, but I got back, cause the dice game was set. It was me and Carbo, breaking day in a lot. Nigga popping no doubt, selling rocks as a hut. Bankroll in my pocket, so everybody know me. Went home and gave my mama 300 for some groceries. We hit the mall and bought, hit that club and spent it all. Now I'm back to square A, with them squares that get off. Dope song, 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 dope song.